Welcome to our review of the best shortwave radios in 2024. Today, we're diving into the top 3 SW radios you need to know about. We'll explore the Qodosen DX-286, the Eton Elite Executive, and the Tecsun PL880. Whether you're a radio enthusiast or just curious about world broadcasts, these radios bring excellent performance and features. Let's find out which one suits you best. Number 3. The Qodosen DX-286 portable radio is a standout choice for radio enthusiasts seeking a compact, high-performance receiver with versatile features. Equipped with the TEF6686 automotive chip, it delivers superb sensitivity and selectivity across FM, LW, MW, and SW bands, making it ideal for distant station reception. Its small form factor, 5.27 by 2.99 by 1.18 inches, and lightweight design make it highly portable, while the option to add external antennas enhances signal quality further, especially on AM and MW bands. User-adjustable settings such as the AMP, antenna, and FM signal processing are easy to configure, with intuitive button operations that improve upon its predecessor, the SR286. This model shines in FM reception, where even weak signals come through with clarity, and it can easily lock onto distant stations. However, AM performance is somewhat limited by the small internal ferrite antenna, but improves significantly with the 19-inch whip or external antennas. While the DX286 does lack SSB and suffers minor display-related noise on LW and MW bands, mitigated by turning off the display when needed, it's a minor drawback for a device in this size and price range. Audio quality is good for the speaker size, and it's excellent when using headphones. Overall, the DX286, with its plethora of features and impressive performance, is a strong contender for anyone looking for a reliable, travel-friendly radio. Just keep in mind that you'll need to purchase an 1865 0-button-top battery separately. Number 2. The Eton Elite Executive Radio impresses with its range of features and top-notch signal quality, making it a must-have for dedicated radio enthusiasts. With comprehensive AM, FM, longwave, and shortwave coverage, plus single sideband SSB capability, this radio is a powerful tool for anyone interested in global broadcasts and amateur radio. Its PLL synthesized dual conversion delivers highly accurate tuning, while the synchronous tuning feature significantly reduces fading and distortion, ensuring a crisp listening experience. The Elite Executive's 700 programmable stations and selectable bandwidth filters make it customizable, allowing users to curate their listening easily. Although its array of features may feel overwhelming to those new to shortwave radios, a thorough read-through of the manual helps uncover its full potential. However, the manual's details could be improved for clarity, especially for beginners. Some users may find the buttons a bit small, but the radio's solid build and leatherette case add to its appeal. Performance-wise, this radio shines in both AC and battery-powered modes, with reliable reception even in less than ideal conditions. Sound quality is surprisingly clear, though the speaker may feel lacking for music. Pairing it with quality earphones enhances the experience. Its RDS feature, though limited, is a nice addition. In all, the Eton Elite Executive delivers on performance and versatility, excelling particularly for listeners with some shortwave experience. Its impressive reach and sound quality make it an ideal choice for those serious about portable radio. Number 1. The Tecsun PL880 portable radio is a superb choice for those seeking a high-quality, versatile receiver with single-sideband SSB capability. Covering AM, FM, longwave, and shortwave frequencies, this radio offers a wide range of listening options, ideal for casual listeners and radio enthusiasts alike. The inclusion of PLL synthesized dual conversion enhances its sensitivity and selectivity, providing clear reception even for distant signals. A standout feature is its excellent speaker quality, delivering clear, crisp sound that's enjoyable even at moderate volumes. FM and AM reception are both impressive, with multiple selectable bandwidth filters allowing users to fine-tune the audio for optimal clarity. The shortwave performance is also remarkable. Users have reported picking up international broadcasts with ease, especially during the evening. The PL880's SSB functionality is invaluable for shortwave and ham radio enthusiasts, making it possible to listen to amateur and emergency transmissions. The 10 Hz tuning step adds precision, ensuring that users can easily zero in on frequencies. Another advantage is the rechargeable 1865 lithium-ion battery with built-in USB charging, now upgraded to USB-C in recent models, making it convenient for daily use without the need for frequent battery replacements. The intuitive layout of buttons and knobs makes operations straightforward, even for beginners, while hidden features offer advanced settings for more experienced users. Overall, the Tecsun PL880 is a well-built, reliable radio with excellent features and sound quality, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone interested in portable, high-performance radio.